Okay, I think we're on. Yes, sorry. What a Nimrod. There's live. All right. Here's three videos that you have questions on. There's about 4 or 5 questions each on these sports Fox Sport Network Sports Science. These are older videos, but they're pretty high quality. I when I do this through Tegrity, it was always horrible. There's nothing against Tegrity really. It wasn't designed to handle a course like this, but these are pretty cool. This thing is fascinating to me. How this guy can kick. What they're doing there is they're holding on to an ash baseball bat, okay, and this Muay Thai boxer is going to kick it with his shin, basically. He's going to hit it with his freaking shin and break that bat in half. It's kind of painful to watch, but it's just too fascinating for words. Okay, now a little switch. We're talking about forces. Now we're talking about energy, and energy has to deal with heat. And the reason I threw this in here was I found this sports science video on Todd Clever, who is a famous rugby player. Now remember this video was from like 2009. He might be retired by now, but it is something else on how the human body actually works. Here's a football coach down in Kentucky. Very hot day. He acts, player died. We looked at the cooling off of the helmets. Right now, heat for football players is about the least of their worries. What they're worried about now, of course, is head trauma. And did I go off on how I think football is going to disappear? I think I did. It's going to become a fringe sport, but soon. It's going to take 30 to 40 years. I mean, the NFL, you're going to make money. I mean, the Jacksonville Jaguars make money, for crying out loud. So, but I'm telling you, the days are numbered because there's not going to be the high quality put on the field. Right now, I think they've ruined the game anyway by making it so quarterback friendly, but that's a whole nother rant I can go off on. All right, marathon runners. I don't know why this is it. This slide is very confusing. Don't worry about it. Let's move on. All right, this one's cool. I think I showed this to you. To avoid heat exhaustion, you have to A, produce less heat and or remove heat more quickly. All right, so produce less heat means sit down in the shade and sip water if you're starting to get too hot. Okay, or remove the heat more quickly. Now this thing, or shove your hands into an ice bath. That will help. And the other thing they do put people into ice baths if you're critical going into heat exhaustion. Now, so you're going to watch this video on heat exhaustion. You're going to watch this thing on Todd Clever. Sorry, it looks like Cleaver. I wouldn't call him the beef myself. You could probably get pummeled. He seems like a decent guy, but anyway. And that's it for the lesson. This is a short one, like I said, and that's it. Besides my little rant on the and I'm going to include that as part of your notes. So out here, enjoy this. It's kind of a just watch the videos and enjoy it. It's a Where's Waldo thing. It's kind of lazy on my part. That's probably why I talk so much, because I just feel like I'm not earning my money unless I'm yakking at you. All right, out here.